Good afternoon, traders. It is Monday, October 12th, 2020, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Had a great day today. Dow had a great day too. You can see here what happened. It gapped up on the open and just kept moving with a little pullback there. Officially, Dow closes up 251 points. But to really understand what's happening in Dow, let's look at the long view chart here. What we're seeing here is all the way back to the beginning of 2020, right here, when we made all-time record highs in February. Then the COVID plunge in March, and this is the March low around March 20th, thereabouts, and then the huge rally and recovery that we have had since. But there's been dips in there. In our most recent dips, you can see right here, that started like in August and turned around mid-September. And today, we're right up there. And we are again in striking distance of 30,000 on the Dow, which would be an all-time record high. We've got about 1,000 points to go there to get there. So this is very encouraging, and we made really good money on this part of the chart right here. This move up has been real good for us. Anyway, yeah, we did really fine today. We had, what do we have? Maybe 10 positions or so. I didn't count coming in, but we closed those out with positive $14,000 and some change. We had a couple carryovers, but we added 6 positions, so we had 8 positions today. 6 are positive, 2 are negative, but we're carrying positive 12,000 going into tomorrow. So 14 closed, 12,000 carrying, and the Dow closing up 251 points. That's just a good all-around day. I'll show you 3 of our stocks. This first one is GPHC, which is Diamond Peak Holdings. And we got into this with about 2 hours to go yesterday. And it did close positively for us. Huge gap up this morning. Would have liked to have gotten out right up there. That would have been worth probably $10,000, but this kept us in, and then the thing just kept sliding for the first 3 hours or so. Finally, we're stopped out there, but we're stopped out with $5,600, so it's a profitable stop out. But then the problem is this thing is up so high, it doesn't take much to get us back in. And so it just moved up here a little bit. We get re-entered. And then it starts continuing this slide. And I thought, oh my God, it's going to take all our profits out of this trade. And then the last 15 minutes, get this big rally in this thing. And took us back to neutral on the re-entry. So, you know, I'm looking at this and I don't know what's going to happen, but I mean, this thing could pop up and take out this high that it made on the open this morning. This is a crazy market, and it's definitely bullish and profitable for us. So I'm very happy with Diamond Peak Holdings. Let's look at another one. Okay. I've showed you this quite a bit. It's been a good stock for us. This is GSX Tekadu, and yesterday it took off. We grabbed it. It really closed profitable yesterday for us, and then it pops up even some more this morning, and we take out $4,100 out of GS Tekadu, and we no sooner get out of this thing, it kind of sells off. So beautiful trade here, just perfect. Looks like we got almost the entire move of the last 2 days, so that's really good. And then finally, not surprising with the Dow doing so well, that we do really well in TQQQ, which is ProShares Ultra Pro QQQET. Yeah, this is basically betting on the overall market going higher. We bought this yesterday on this, what now looks like a little gap, but it didn't look so little yesterday. We got into this. It did close moderately profitable yesterday, but a huge gap this morning, right along with the Dow there. And then it rallies all day and then pulls back with the Dow later. Probably this thing was worth around $8,000 right there on top. It pulled back, but we still have $6,000 profit open trade in TQQQ ProShares. So that looks really good. In this environment, you got to be bullish. You can't go being bearish on this thing. So it looks real good for tomorrow. Trader Bob signing off. I will see you tomorrow, and have a nice evening.